All right, so we have the door panels the way they look factory, the WRX door panels, and we have the ones that we just did. Now, I'm not overly thrilled with the way the carbon wrap turned because there is texture on the panels. Everything really shows up, but quite honestly, it doesn't look too bad. It's not supercar, and unfortunately, these were the passenger side ones. And because we did the Alcantara on top first, I couldn't sand these panels. I am going to, though, try something completely different on these ones. I am going to sand the panels down to smooth them out, so I can try and get that carbon fiber to look a little smoother. Otherwise, the wrap is really awesome to deal with. It's, the front doors. There is, I don't know if you can see it, but I did put an insert. That middle section is an insert, and the lower part is an insert. It's kind of hard to see there, but I am learning how to use knifeless tape for the first time. So, and because of the carbon fiber, you can see I didn't do the sides. I might put a piece on there, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the pads there yet, but lesson learned, I messed up. We did the Alcantara first. We should have sanded and done the carbon, because if I would have sanded the bottoms of these doors, I'd have messed up all that Alcantara. So these doors will get sanded smooth, and they are the driver's doors, so we will be hoping for a better finish on those, and I might redo these, but they are looking so good, so we'll see.